Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to suggest an edit in Google Docs. First, let me tell you something. You cannot suggest an edit on Google Docs if you do not have the permission given by the owner of the document, so please ask them this. I already provided this permission on a test document. If you have this permission available, you will see in the right part the text suggesting. To make a suggestion, just click where you wish to make this and start editing like a normal document. This will send automatically a new suggestion to edit to the owner. He can accept it or reject it. So it's that easy. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye.